You mad today? Did you wake up on the wrong side of the perch again? You're so grumpy. Shake it off.